Local landlord being told he cannot immediately evict his tenant even after that person's attempted arson arrest.
Yazir Sanders has been in the Madison County Jail since Monday when police arrested him for attempted arson. Police say he poured gasoline all over himself and his wife during a domestic dispute.
WAAY 31's Nicole Zedek has been following the story since that property owner boarded up the house on Monday, which she is now being told to open back up.
Dan, there's nothing more the landlord would like more than to just put an eviction notice on the front door and make sure his tenants can't come back to possibly burn his house down. But that's just not the way the legal system works. There's a process he has to go through in order to evict a tenant, even if they commit a crime on their property. And here in Alabama, the court system treats all eviction notices the same, whether someone is late on rent or tried to set a house on fire.
The eviction process itself, once it's in the courts, is identical. Like, it doesn't matter if it is non-payment, it doesn't matter if it's an unauthorized animal, it doesn't matter if it is cooking meth. The eviction process in the court system runs exactly the same.
Huntsville attorney Sarah Taggart says these laws are clearly spelled out in the Landlord-Tenant Act, which can be found in the property section of the Alabama Code. Landlords have to give a 7-day notice before even filing an eviction notice in court. And once the court process begins, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months. There's no speeding up the timeline, even for illegal or dangerous activities. Now, this isn't the same in every state. Some surrounding states, like Tennessee, for example, has a 3-day notice period when it comes to illegal or dangerous activity. And the landlord, he certainly wishes that was the case here in Alabama, as he's worried what's going to happen when his tenant gets out of jail and returns to the house. I'll have more from the landlord as he begins this possibly lengthy legal battle. That's tonight on WAAY 31 News at 6. Reporting live in Huntsville, Nicole Zedek, WAAY 31 News.
Frustrating. Thanks, Nicole. Yazir Sanders is currently being held at the Madison County Jail with a $20,000 bond for attempted arson.